Hi everyone, welcome back to PI Tutorial channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without using a phone number or backup email. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. After that, tap on Manage Accounts. Scroll down a bit and tap Add Account. Now choose Google and give it a second to load. You'll need to enter your phone PIN to confirm it's you. Once you're on the Google sign-in screen, tap on Create Account. Then choose either for my personal use or for work or my business. Next, enter your first name. For the surname, it's optional. You can fill it in or just skip it. Then tap Next. Now, enter your date of birth and select your gender. Once done, tap Next. Here you can choose one of the suggested Gmail addresses or tap to create your own email address and type in what you want. Then tap Next. After that, create your password. Make sure it includes letters, numbers, and symbols. Then tap Next. On this page, it will ask you to add a phone number. Just scroll down and tap Skip. Then tap Next on the review page. For privacy and terms, scroll down and tap I agree. And that's it. Your Gmail account is ready to use. You can find it in the Manage Account section. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you, don't forget to like and share.